Geoengineering has the potential to reverse climate change. I think we should do a lot of experiments and implement these technologies right now.
Yes, but while geoengineering might be a field of potential, it could have a lot of dangers as well.
What are the dangers?
These technologies implement large-scale interventions in Earth's atmosphere and landscape, so they involve a lot of risks. For example, the SRM method that reflects sunlight back into space could cause regions to face droughts. Research models also show that if people really decided to use this method but then abandon it, global warming could increase at a much higher scale. I remember that countries that have done cloud seeding are facing extreme rainfall and even floods. This is similar.
Yeah, that's true. However, the danger posed by climate change is very severe. If people don't take a bigger step toward change, we might face droughts and floods that are not caused by geoengineering, but global warming and rising sea level. Geographical regions like island nations and countries like Pakistan are more vulnerable to these dangers.
Yes, however, geoengineering as a method to slow down climate change can also cause climate injustices. For example, if carbon is captured and buried underground, who are the communities that will bear its impact if carbon dioxide is too concentrated and leaks? In a recent example, a startup from the US conducted its SRM research in Mexico without consent from the government, which, according to Mexico, violated its sovereignty. I feel like governments and international organizations should set more regulations about geoengineering.
Yeah, you definitely have a point. But at the same time, regulating geoengineering is not a small business. According to the scientist David Keith, even regular planes inject aerosols in the stratosphere, so it is definitely challenging to regulate.
Geoengineering also carries other risks. For example, people say that geoengineering could become weapons after they are implemented. At the same time, geoengineering could be used as an excuse for politicians and big corporations not to take action towards reducing carbon emissions. After all, the root cause of rapid climate change is industrialization and human activities. If countries like the US and China don't start to reduce emissions, we could run out of time.
I wonder what will happen. In the beginning of last year, many scientists wrote an open letter together to support research into SRM. While the ban from Mexico was a backlash to this technology, it was important for people to know that this kind of research should not be commercialized and also should get consent from the related people.
Right now, it might be a good idea to research about the technology and try to learn as much about it as possible before implementing it on a large scale. Knowing that geoengineering could be used to even make climate injustice worse, it's better to be cautious.
I hope this video is a helpful summary about this technology. What do you think? Bye.
Thank you.